Mum, we're going home on Monday, but I have to leave tomorrow. So I'm saying my goodbyes now.
Yeah.
So what do you think, Mum?
Absolutely loved it. It was a great trip. Glad we came.
We enjoyed it. And Shanta will be taking care of us tomorrow.
We'll be riding tricycles tomorrow.
That'll be fun.
Mom's gonna cry. Mom's gonna cry. Mom's gonna cry. Oh, she's crying. Mom's crying. I knew it. She's crying. She's like Grandma.
That one.
One that like tuk tuk. This like that. This like
That?
that one.
Nandito na po tayo sa airport. Malulungkot na po si Baby Nitro kasi alis na si Grandma tsaka si Grandpa.
Grandpa and Grandma have to catch the plane.
To Australia.
Got to go back home to Australia to work.
They ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine, but you just can't get into it because they.
Where's the airplane?
Oh, it's over there.
See him up in the sky? He's coming. A big light. He's got torches on too.
Nitro, Grandma and Grandpa are going on the airplane, okay?
But we will come back and see you, and you will come to Australia and see us.
Yeah.
Yeah. Fly.
Cry.
I'm
Cry?
trying to cry.
Yeah.
Don't cry, baby Nitro. Mama and Papa will come back.
We're happy that we saw you. Yeah. Very happy that we saw you.
Nandito na tayo, iyak na yan.
You have a cargo.
Yeah, Nitro. Ako na Masara. Baby Nitro. Grandma and Grandpa's leaving.
Why can't you walk there with us?
Cuddle Grandma, she's going back to Australia.
Big boy.
Good morning.
Big boy.
Serviceable Pacific
What do you wanna tell Grandma?
656 Dwantro, Manila. We are glad to inform you that the aircraft to the western flight has just arrived. Currently, will be parked at the designated parking bay. Once the boarding is done, the cabin has been cleared, and all safety checks accomplished.
Grandpa?
We will make an announcement of the status of the
Want to be carried with it.
in the meantime.
You tell them I love you?
I love you too.
It's okay, don't be sad, okay?
Don't cry.
To Australia, we are going to Australia. I'm going to Australia.
It's alright. It's alright. It's alright. It's alright.
Are you going?
I love you, baby.
Are you going?
Yes, we will go. We will go. He's joking. See you later. See you later.
She's pouting.
Bye-bye, baby.
Don't cry, baby Nitro.
I love you.
It's okay.
This is yours. This is yours. It's your present. You gotta find the monsters for Grandpa. Can you keep it?
That's you. You got to for the monsters. Yeah.
For the monsters.
And when you call Grandpa, you can show him your tour.
Yeah, you can
Yeah?
tell me about all the ones you find.
I love you. I love your pretty. Bye-bye, Siva. You gonna wave bye-bye? Bye-bye, darling. Mwah.
Crying. Crying. It's alright. You watch Grandma and Grandpa
We
go
see you
there.
next time, baby. Mwah.
You watch them.
We had fun. Didn't we? Yes. And we will all come back next year. Yeah? Yes.
Hug Mama and Papa. Pick up, pick up.
Grandpa.
Yeah. Look at mommy. Look.
Say love you. Do you see them? Oh. You still see them? Let me Nitro. There's Gamma, look, there's Gamma.
Plankies, grandma. Come on. Don't be sad, baby Nitro. They're coming back. Or do you want to go to Australia?
Look, just look at Gamma. There he is. Look, there's his bye-bye. Can you see them? Oh, you can see them. Wait, you can see them. Wait, Plankies.
Plankies. Tara.
Yeah?
I don't know how to go to the airplane in Australia.
Ah, is that why you're putting your hand like this?
Yeah.
Ah, you're thinking how to go to Australia.
Yeah.
We need to have lots of money.
Then we will buy Carabao.
Yeah, tickets.
No, not the Carabao. Airport.
Do you want to tell Grandma?
Grandma, you lost my surprise and you lost my another surprise.
Where's the surprise for Grandma? Where's your surprise for Grandma?
This and this.
This and this.
Yeah, they lost it.
She lost it.
Yeah.
You didn't lose Grandma, Grandpa.
I lost them in Australia.
No, but they're coming back. Hey.
No.
Don't cry anymore. It's fine.
No.
You were fine. You were not crying anymore. Why are you crying now?
Grandma, it's their spaceship.
Oh, Grandpa forgot his spaceship. Yeah, then that's good because then Grandpa will come back. Oh, you're praying for Grandma and Grandpa to come back? Show me how you pray.
Grandpa, when I sleep, Jesus Christ.
Amen. It's okay. Grandma and Grandpa will come back, okay?
Because I'm sad because I don't like Grandma and Grandpa to leave me.
You don't want Grandma and Grandpa to
Auntie
leave.
Holly and everyone.
Oh, yes, Auntie Holly and everyone.
Yeah.
It's okay. Everyone will be together, okay? We'll be together. All of us, okay?
No, I don't know because I don't know how to go there.
You don't know how to go there?
Yeah.
It's okay. Daddy will take us there, okay?
Grandpa, I have your necklace.
And show Grandpa your muscle.
You just got infect.
What?
You just got infect.
Did you call me fat?
Yeah.
Come on.
Because you will not have a strong muscle like me.
I thought you wanted to show Grandpa your muscle.
I show him already
Ah, okay. Why did you call me fat?
because you just a tummy fat.